When I think of reggae music, as cliche as it sounds, I think of positive vibrations and just a movement that has shifted the thought processes of people across the globe.
What started as a means of expression within Jamaican inner-city communities in the 1960s has become a global phenomenon, stealing the hearts and transforming the minds of people all around the world.
Reggae music means a lot to me because it's a very big part of my culture. Even though I'm not living in Jamaica, it is actually my favorite type of music.
On prend le reggae comme un mouvement de liberté, ça nous permet de nous évader. Jamaïque, c'est un petit peu le rêve de tous les Français ici. Et on remercie les Jamaïcains pour leur mouvement de reggae et surtout Bob Marley.
Reggae music is all that and then some. Not only does it represent our culture, but impacts society, gaining worldwide recognition by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage worthy of protection and promotion. And so, for the past 14 years, we celebrate every aspect of this or genre of music in the only month-long reggae festival in the world.
Hey, you never know you woulda love the Congo Bongo. You never know you woulda love the far.
Reggae music brings people together. So even in the midst of a pandemic while outside not keep and social distance is being practiced, we aren't breaking this rhythm of reggae music celebration.
We can still get together and feel all right, even from a distance.
And so we have been, virtually.
You don't want to lose it. It's electric. Woogie, woogie, woogie. You can't use it. It's electric. Woogie, woogie, woogie. But you know it's there. It's here, there, and everywhere.
Hey, reggae month. Oh, I'm gonna tell them. Say we're winning right now, you win. Oh yes, we're winning right now. And we forget the trophy because we're living right now.
Reggae way to bless, 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 bless.
From Reggae Month church service at Fellowship Tabernacle to Bob Marley's 76th birthday celebration, persons have been catching the rhythm. But the month is young and there are still tons of daily activities. Each Sunday in February is Ground Nation with the Jamaica Music Conference. Mondays, it's all things reggae history. Wake the town and tell the people. Stage audio workshop and just give me the light. Stage lighting workshop. Tuesdays are all about our children with the Children of Our Icons Rewind, Reggae Stories, Jario virtual discussions, Amateur on the Mounds, and lots more. Wednesdays are dedicated to Jario Reggae Rewind, Reggae Month Masterclass, Reggae Praise, and more. And on Thursdays, grab your books and pens for Jario Open University and discuss topics including effects of COVID, opportunities and new normal, and reggae and resistance. Pop some corn and grab a drink on Fridays while enjoying reggae films with the family. And deck the kids out in black, green, and gold for Jamaica Day in schools on February 26.
All pirates, yes, they rabbi.
On Saturdays, we'll enjoy vintage concerts and a sound system tune for tune. On the final Saturday, February 27, get dressed and go to your living rooms for the Reggae Icon Awards ceremony. And on the last day of Reggae Month, Sunday, February 28, participate in the Jamaica Music Online Conference and then put on your tux or gown for the Jaria Honors Awards. Never miss a beat. Come catch the rhythm virtually during Reggae Month 2021. Download the Reggae Jamaica app for all things about the music and the celebration schedule. After all,
Reggae just sweet. That's it.